right, I'm at the chart booth now with Gary Degenhardt and John Tapley. We're here today to talk about chart. Always moving 1,000 miles an hour. What's the latest and greatest from chart that you guys are really excited about talking about?
Well, the biggest recent news is the acquisition of the Hudson Group out in what covers Europe and Asia, a lot of the marketplaces that we aren't in. They are in the U.S., but bringing their team on with what we're doing, it just is a full complement of new products and opportunities for us. So we're extremely excited about that. And, and our whole marketing concept of the Nexus of Clean is a direction that's interested in a very positive thing for us as a company and as a nation. So it's something we enjoy promoting right now. So.
Very cool. And John, I know you're a contributor of the magazine pretty frequently, and we ask you to be non-promotional in those cases, but for right now we're going to scrap that and you're going to talk about chart. Give us something that distributors should know about chart that would really help their business out, that you could try to sell them on right here and right now.
Yeah, one of the things we're really promoting right now is our water treatment. We actually have a group called Chart Water now, and there are lots of opportunities for distributors to grow their gas business, pure gas business, with the chart water. We've got oxygen for BOD and COD treatment. We've got CO2 for pH control. That's just a really robust offering of water treatment opportunities that we can bring it to a distributor that they didn't have before, that we can help them grow their gas business with.
All right, that's a good one. How about this one, Gary? I see a lot about the cryo-lease program. Why do distributors like the cryo-lease program from Chart?
Well, it's a perfect finance opportunity for them right now. That the cash, the cost of money right now, whether it's through a bank or through Chart, it's a good time to be leasing. And we have a lot of products in that program, covering just about all their needs, and a very flexible program, both whether they want to own it at the end of the lease with $1 buyout, or if they just want to, short term. So it's very easy to do and very easy to get approved and set up. So it's really been a positive since we brought this in about a year ago.
All right, very cool. How about one for you, John, would be, there's a ton of products from Chart. Talk about the value that you bring aside from just the products.
Well, we just finished up last week one of our premier training sessions. We brought in people, a wide range of people, from independent distributors to majors. We brought them into they came into our facility in Ball Ground, and we just had such a dynamic interaction between them bringing their experience to us. We give them troubleshooting advice. It was a really robust, and so I think our training programs are a differentiator for something that we can bring to our distributors. That's one thing like that, and we've got some marketing support and help with able to get, help them find leads and do some marketing with our new Chart app. So we just got a lot of things that we can bring more value to an independent distributor than we did before.
All right, how about one for you, Gary? Would be any emerging markets that are out there for distributors right now that you think that they should be paying attention to, and that they should keep an eye on and consider Chart to partner with them to pursue them?
Well, certainly water treatment and CO2 carbon capturing on the smaller levels are really opportunities that are really designed for the independent distributor. They're small enough projects that they can work them. It doesn't take a lot of cash to get them into it. The products are easy for them to understand and to get their hands around, and we're bringing the leads to them. So it's one of those opportunities we'd love to team with them, and any distributor who's interested should certainly reach out to myself or anyone on our team and gets involved in their marketplace.
Excellent. Any last thoughts? Anybody else from the Chart team that's here? You guys got 1 million people at every show, so if there's anybody else you guys want to call out while we're here, go ahead and do it.
One other comment I'd like to add, and this is related to GAWDA itself, is this year was our 12th anniversary of doing the Spring Compliance Seminar, and was one of the things I'm proudest that I have teamed with Mike and Tom and the entire consultant group, where they come to our facility and gives us an opportunity to showcase our facilities, but also give the organization a low-cost location to come and have input on a 3-day seminar. We're looking to expand that with a little luck. Maybe in, next year we could be looking at twice a year that we do this. But it's, I'm just really proud of the fact that we were part of that, and GAWDA allowed us to be involved.
All right, yeah, that's awesome. Just on a personal level, between the two of you guys, we really thank you guys for everything that you do on a volunteer basis. John with the magazine, Gary with the IPC. Love working with you in the IPC committee. It's a lot of fun. We appreciate you guys.
It's our.
Oh, you're on Member Services Committee too? I didn't even realize that, but I recognize you from the magazine. But
Well, I'm pulling content for the Member Services Committee from this event that GAWDA put on so spectacularly. So, heads up, or you guys did a great job on this, and this is something that we'll use to promote new members. This is the kind of thing that you can take advantage of when you join GAWDA. So.
All right, well, thank you guys for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. Chart is a big player, and we appreciate it. So,
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
All right, yeah.